This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 325RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a gray interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.